Hi, I'm Godfights, and since Bob is such a noob, I'm going to take his place for a while. Let's go own some cows. I'll own you, noob cow. Owned. Noob fire. Noob beef. Sweet, I just got 32 cooking. Sweet, off to the chef place. Let me in, noob. Free full la la la. What the hell was that? Lol. What the hell? My name is Beastie Kid 5. New door won't let me in. You need a chef hat. Oh my god. Fine. No. Dancing for chef hat blocks. 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 Hi, my name is Pikachu 675. I've been following you for quite some time now. Show you where to find a chef hat. Oh my noob. Herb. It's in there. I come for a chef hat, noob. Do you have any? Yep, food. How much? For it? Yes, noob. Free. Noob. What? You don't want cheesies? No. You don't want meow? No. Frug? You don't want waffles or pancakes? What the hell is wrong with you? Nothing, I'm full. Wait. I have wanted something for a while. Well, I've wanted a Santa hat for a while. Noob, what do you think I am, Tehnoobshow? Fine. I'll get you a Santa hat. Bananas! Dancing for a Santa hat box. Do you have a Santa hat box? No. Do you have a Santa hat box? Do you have a Santa hat box? No. You're noob. You're seriously a dumbass. Noob, whatever. I got better things to do. Dancing for Santa hat box? Hey, it's Megan. Hi, noob. Hey, Fruit. I'm dancing for Santa hats. I see. I have one, but I need a potato. Give, noob. your Santa hat, noob. Cool. Yes, I can finally make waffles. And pancakes. And cheesies. What the hell? Oh my god. I don't need a hat, I need a key. That stupid noob scanned me.